Got it, thumbs up. You mean MacBook Air cleaning. Dust removal, because too much dust can make the MacBook overheat or even cause it to shut down, die. Here's how you can safely clean your MacBook Air. Broom basic cleaning, outside and keyboard. Shut down your MacBook Air and unplug the charger. Use a soft microfiber cloth, slightly damp, not wet, to wipe the screen and body. For the keyboard and ports, use a soft brush or a can of compressed air. Hold the MacBook at a 75 degrees angle and spray in short bursts. Never spray liquid or air directly inside for long. It can push dust further in. Wind face cleaning inside, fans and vents. If dust has gone inside, fans, heatsink, you'll need to open the back cover using a P5 pentalobe screwdriver. Gently blow out dust with compressed air or use a small electric air duster. Do not touch internal parts with wet cloths. If you're not comfortable, better take it to an Apple service center or trusted repair shop. Warning important. Avoid vacuum cleaners. They create static electricity right pointing arrow damage. Don't use household cleaning sprays, Windex, Colon, etc. On the screen, only microfiber plus little water. If your MacBook dies often due to dust, shuts down, overheats, cleaning fans plus applying new thermal paste may be needed.